Hey tubes, down in the shop. So I got the underside of the hood glassed up pretty good and filled some cracks. And now I came in and took my grinder to the repairs where I went back originally. And I think I basically need to do a little build up right here and smooth this out and get it smoothed out. And I got some putty put on there and just try sanding it down, and then I'm gonna just give it a coat of paint, maybe try and match the light blue, dark blue and white, and see what I can come up with here as far as trying to make this look halfway decent. And then I gotta work on the windshield there. It's kind of okay, got a little bit more resin and fiberglass cloth worked into the cracks there. Try and get some of the shape back and strengthen up the spots where it was broken. And now I'm going to let that harden up and then sand it down and then do a final, get the final profile done with the body putty and just a little. I should only need a little bit of that to get the last of the bad stuff, and then just see if I can get something close in paint color and paint her up. The structural integrity back, but appearance-wise, I was having a real hard time seeing where my stuff was going, and so I decided just to squirt a little bit of primer on there, and I can definitely see where I've got to do some more work on this to get it to look halfway decent. So, onward, forward. Well, I got it down to, smoothed it off after they sprayed the primer on there, found some high spots and low spots and stuff like that, and mixed up a little bit of body putty, and just going to keep plugging away at it here. The beautiful thing about this stuff is you can put it on and sand it off, and put it on and sand it off, and put it on and sand it off again, and to get eventually the shape that you want. But it's coming, and I think what I'm going to probably end up doing is doing all the blue and use tape for the white stripe, and maybe paint white in there, mask the white, paint the blue, then get the dark blue on the inside, and then do the white up above there. So similar to that. The thing is, this has got there's a little blue pinstripe. It's white and then blue on the inside there. So, which is all part of the decal. And so we'll have to see what I can do to replicate it. See if I'll come up with something. But probably have to find some paint that's the right color. That'll help. So, talk to you soon.